Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Lloyds bank account on your desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to get access to your Lloyds bank account right from your computer, then start off by opening up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.lloydsbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Lloyds Bank, which looks like this. Click on the log on button at the upper right hand corner and choose one of the options, whether you would like to log into your personal account or your business account, and give it a click. You'll find yourself in the login area for internet banking on Lloyds Bank. Go to the first text box where it says use your ID and type in your user ID associated with your online banking account, and make sure to type it in correct. Head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct as well. You can double check the password just to make sure that you've typed it in correct by clicking on this little link that says show. Next time, while logging into your account, if you'd like the system to remember your user ID in this particular device, click this little box at the bottom. But make sure to uncheck this box and leave it unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared device. In case you've forgotten your login details while logging into your account, click on forgotten your logon details and you'll be able to get hold of your user ID or your password that you've forgotten. Finally, click the continue button after entering your credentials correct, and that way you can easily get access to your online banking account for Lloyds Bank. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. We'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.